Do you remember DuckDuckGo, the website that help you to search privately? They got a brand new thing that is really interesting. They make a Duck.ai. Science behind it is exactly the same. So in the past we used like search bar, and they kind of mask who we are and ask Google for us. So the Google cannot collect our data, and that's exactly the same. So we got like AI chat where we don't even need to log in, and we can kind of move between different AI models privately. So they will ask stuff for us and give us answers, and everything is here on Duck.ai. So that's a really, really neat concept. So like before, it's all privacy focused. So this way the AI companies cannot get your data. It's rather simple and fast. But of course, we are limited to the integration that are already prepared by Duck.ai. I really like to use this one, especially on my work computer. It's a really, really nice addition. I have no idea about this until I find out on the official website that was already launched. So if you are a fan of DuckDuckGo private search, I think you should definitely check out Duck.ai. It's really similar. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.